particle is in linear SHM, okay, fine. If the acceleration and corresponding velocity, of this particle are a and v, acceleration is a and velocity is v, then the graph relating to these values is, तो इन दोनों का ग्राफ a और v का ग्राफ नहीं है. If you check into the option, it is the graph of a square and v square. y एक्सिस पर है a square और x एक्सिस पर है v square, and you have to find which graph will be between a square and v square. चारों में से कौन सा ग्राफ है. ग्राफ कैसा रहेगा, ग्राफ कैसा होगा, कोई भी दो क्वांटिटीज का. अब यहां पर a स्क्वायर और v स्क्वायर का ग्राफ कैसा होगा ये फाइंड करना है. You should find the equation, the relation between these two. Y और X के बीच की relation find करना है. If you know the equation, from that equation you can decide what will be the graph, how will be the graph. So, to find out how will be the graph, you will find the relation between a square and v square. A is acceleration, v is velocity. Now, velocity in SHM is a omega cos omega t. What is this a omega? A omega is maximum velocity. Remember, V max is equal to a omega. So you can say V is equal to V max or V0 cos omega t. V is V0 cos omega t. This type of equation, अगर आपका इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन EMI हुआ है, you have come across this. E is equal to E0 sin omega t. E is the EMF, E0 is the maximum EMF or peak EMF. So साइनोसॉइडल इक्वेशन में, ये साइनोसॉइडल इक्वेशन है, साइन और कॉस एक ही बात है. साइनोसॉइडल इक्वेशन में यू कैन राइट इन दिस फॉर्म, E is equal to E0 sin omega t और V is equal to V0 sin omega t और cos omega t, दोनों भी चलता है. हम लेते हैं cos omega t. So V is equal to V0 cos omega t. This is equation for velocity. So V upon V0 will be equal to cos omega t, or you can say cos square omega t is equal to V square upon V0 square. Why? क्यों किया हमने cos square? Square क्यों लिया? क्योंकि हमको a square और v square का ग्राफ फाइंड करना है. a और v का ग्राफ नहीं फाइंड करना है, a square and v square. So we square these two. Okay. Then from velocity, acceleration is dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity, मतलब इसका डेरिवेटिव v0. Derivative of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. Right? Or you can say sin omega t is equal to minus a upon v0 omega. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे cos omega t फाइंड किया था, वैसे sin omega t is minus a upon v0 omega. So you can say that sin square omega t is equal to minus a square upon v0 square omega square. Correct? Sorry, minus minus will become plus. इसका square लेना है, sin square omega t, इसका square will become plus a square upon v0 square omega square. Add these two, cos square omega t plus sin square omega t, that is 1, is equal to v square upon v0 square plus a square upon v0 square omega square. Check it once. देखो इसको एक बार. We have to find the relation between a square and v square. So we will shift this to other side. So a square upon v0 square omega square will be equal to 1 minus v square upon v0 square. Correct? Or you can say a square is equal to, ये उधर गया, V0 square omega square minus V square into, ये ऊपर गया, V0 square omega square upon V0 square. Is it right? This V0 square will get cancelled. So the equation now becomes A square is equal to V0 square omega square minus V square omega square upon, sorry, nothing, V square omega square. Check करो उसको. A square is V0 square omega square minus V square omega square. So A square will be equal to minus V square omega square plus V0 square omega square. This equation is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. इसको कंपेयर करो. Y is a square, x is v square, means m is minus omega square. M is minus omega square means the slope is negative. M क्या होता है? Slope. So the slope is negative, मतलब ग्राफ नीचे आ रहा है. और y intercept है positive plus c. So the graph will be having negative slope and positive y intercept. अब चेक करो ऑप्शंस में ऐसा कौन सा ग्राफ है, स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ, जो कि नीचे आ रहा है, नेगेटिव स्लोप, एंड इट्स y intercept is positive. It is option C. So your answer is C. So remember this method. If you want to find out how will be the graph, you find the relation between y and x. Y यहाँ पर है a square और x है v square. So you find the relation between a square and v square. And from that you decide what will be the graph. इक्वेशन से हमको समझ में आएगा कि ग्राफ स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा या एलिप्स होगा कि सर्कल होगा. मींस यू शुड नो all these equation of a straight line, equation of a circle, equation of an ellipse, equation of a parabola. All these equations you should know so that you can decide what sort of graph it will be.